Creating social media content is really important for your business, but if you've ever tried to do it at scale, it's actually really exhausting. That is until you kind of learn there's a different technique to it that people are using, and one version of it could be called the content leverage system. What you want to do is create one central piece of content. This could be a video, this could be a blog post with your central idea. And then you're going to want to explode that out and use it as much as possible. So if you made a long form video, what you could do is cut it into shorter videos. Those could go on to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok. You could also take different quotes from the video and make each of those into some kind of a social media post just with text, or it could have an image as the background that tends to do pretty well still. You could also take the concept from the video and make it into an email, and that goes out to your list as long as it's applicable to that audience. You're going to want to link back to your video, or if your first piece of content was a blog post, you're definitely going to want to link back to that. This is how people are using one piece of content and then just leveraging it to the maximum, because it's like if you spend all that time on one piece of content, you might as well get as much as you can out of it. And then of course this can go to all the different platforms. So if you're doing Instagram, if you're doing LinkedIn, if you're doing YouTube, if you're doing Twitter, if you're doing TikTok, you can send out the social media posts to all of these. And all of a sudden you took one piece of content and you turned it into like 20 to 25 different things. If you need content ideas, let me know. I bet I can come up with a few for you. All right, bye.